How to recover a dead hard disk. Basic troubleshooting. Stop using your computer immediately. Try plugging your hard drive into a different port or computer. Know the different components of a hard drive. Assess the sounds your drive was making. Refrain from using do-it-yourself quick fixes. Consulting a repair company. Understand that hard drive recovery is a job for professionals. Expect to pay a lot of money for the repair. Find a repair company that best suits your needs. Pick a company and stick with it.